So that little clip you heard there is from the intro to my latest single with Unite the Divide called Come to Me. It's up on Spotify and whatever else. Check it out. Links, something like that over here. And the riff and most of the song is based around this cool scale that I thought I came up with way back when, but it's got a bunch of official names if you're a music theory nerd. But basically, it's just taking a minor scale and replacing the minor third with the major third. I used to call it something like Malhapic minor, and I guess I'll do a lesson on that too. But for purposes of this, I'm just going to break out some tabs and show you how it's played. And oh yeah, this. Yeah. So as I was saying, this whole thing is based on a modification of an A minor scale. And if you're playing your basic A minor, it's all the natural notes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. And we're replacing the C with a C sharp here. And when you take a piece of this scale, like I did here up on the G string, and I'm building chords and a chord melody kind of thing around it, you end up with this cool, almost Middle Eastern sounding part of the scale where you have the C sharp, the D, the E, and the F. And basically, I'm just building a chord structure around that as a piece of a melody. So I start with the A dyad here, the A major dyad, with the root note as a pedal. That's your chord melody there, and I'm just building around it. So it's a downstroke, then just the two, and then a double note there. So it's 6, 7, 9, C sharp, D, E. And the F, another double, coming back down there from the F, E, D. So one more time. Now I go, and instead of going to the major third, I go to the minor third. And I play that double stop there, the G and the C. And then I have that little run. So it's basically, I'm doing what would be a pentatonic run, but because of the major third, it creates this cool lilting quality. So if it was the minor pentatonic, it would just be a basic. But now I have to put that C sharp in place of the C. So I've got the G, 5th fret, on the D string, hammered to the 7th fret, then the C sharp, 6th fret, hammered to the 7th, then the basic minor, E to G, it's 5/8. Then 5 on the first string, and then I got to hammer up to the major third, the C sharp. Then I'm back to the chords. Now I'm going to build my way up to the verse. So when I get up to that F there, now I'm going up on the D string. So that's from the 7th to the 9th. Then I bring my pinky up to the G here, the 12th. Then I go up to here. That's just the 12th fret. And I hammer to the 14th fret on the G string. And then it's the full A major chord. And that completes the intro riff. So all together. So there's a little foray into a cool little modification of a minor scale, which can give you a bit of a Middle Eastern feel or even a more classical feel because of that major third creating a resolve to a different place. I hope you check out the tune on Spotify and you like it. And if you get anything out of this, please let me know in the comments. If you get some cool uses for the scale yourself, make a song, share it with me. I want to hear it, guys. And as always, until next time, keep making great music. Hey friends, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. It makes the whole world better.